Hi beautiful people, if this is the first time you are coming across my content, my name is Joseph. I am a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional, and I have been recording on SharePoint, and I'm creating a playlist, and today I'm going to be talking about the handshake between SharePoint and Microsoft Teams, right? So basically, when you create a Teams site, then it is going to replicate as a team in Microsoft Teams if Teams is added to the Teams site. This I have explained in detail in the previous video. So if you have not watched that, I will encourage you to just check this playlist out and start from the beginning just to see that you follow the trend. And if you are not a subscriber to this channel, you may want to also hit on that because that's going to do a great job to me also. So today in one of the videos we had created a SharePoint site called SharePoint playlist, and here is the site itself. So if you come here to this site, also if you come to Teams as well, you're going to see the SharePoint playlist also showing up here as a theme. Like, this is the general channel. So if you come to SharePoint here, you would see documents, or just on the general page like this, you're going to see general here as a folder. So this general here that you see as a folder is the same thing as the general channel here that you see in Teams. So what this means is that if you upload a file from here by clicking on this upload, let's say folder upload, and then you come to my desktop and you pick up, let's just say we pick up, I have a folder I called Handshake. If I'm quickly going to see that, yeah, this is the folder. If I click on that and I say upload, and then it asks for content inside, and I hit on upload from Teams here, what that means is that it is coming into the general channel in Teams, and it means therefore that if I come to SharePoint in the general channel, the general folder, I should also see that content showing up there as Handshake folder, right? So the same thing is also there if I had clicked on documents to visit that that particular folder, and I initiate the upload of file or folder to this channel, I mean to this folder from here, and then you will also see it surfacing in Teams as well. So maybe I just want to run one refresh here, and then go back to click on general channel, just so I am able to see that file also from the SharePoint end. Okay, so if I open general channel now, I would see the handshake folder there. So if I also make an attempt to upload a file or a folder from SharePoint here, maybe I click on file, and let me see if I will get a file from my desktop and just pull it here. Let me just say I'm pulling this guy's CV to that SharePoint site from here also. So what happens is that it's going to get uploaded in a second, and we are just going to check from Teams as well if we have that file also showing up in Teams as well. So we have this, we have the file uploaded here successfully, and then it is here now. So if I refresh here as well, I should see that file listed here in Teams for me. The good thing is that the permission for the access in Teams here is set from the OneDrive, I mean the SharePoint. So if you set the permission for read only, for edit permission, for restricted views, and all of that from SharePoint, then it will impact the level of access that the users would have on those files or those folders from Microsoft Teams here, because Teams on itself does not have where you can manage permissions on files, right? But the permissions that you have on files and folders are usually displayed or gotten from what you have set in SharePoint. So you will see that file also showing up here as the CV that was uploaded from SharePoint here. So if you set the permission, say for example to this folder, you want to manage the access level to this, you can come to manage access, and then you can go granularly even to say you want to go to the advanced settings to make sure that you set permissions on that folder to say what people can do and what people should not be able to do. So those permissions that are set from here are also getting inherited from your from your teams. So I've done a video on access level permission also on this channel that you may also want to check out. But the essence of this is to show you the handshake between SharePoint sites and your teams in terms of file upload and document management. I hope you find this useful. If you do, kindly hit on the like button, and if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, it is time for you to hit on the subscribe button. Let us keep learning together. Thank you very much and have a great day. Peace.